The Sea-Flush demo boat has two 30-amp inputs. The second input is dedicated strictly to air conditioning. There's a 16,000 and an 8,000 BTU air conditioner. With both air conditioners running, we draw about 17 amps, which was consistently overheating and burning out two different types of shore power cords. I did some research and decided to try the SmartPlug connector and inlet replacement kit. This video shows how to replace the 30-amp inlet. In a separate Sea-Flush video, I show how to replace the female cord end from my existing shore power cord. After 25 years, the boat was slow to give up the old inlet, but with some fiddling, I was able to remove it and expose the 3 inlet wires. I took the time to unscrew the wire end connectors. If you're doing this on your boat, you can just cut the wire. It turns out the SmartPlug system doesn't use the wire end connectors. The old inlet was well worn and due for a replacement. I then test fit the new inlet to make sure it would fit in the original hole. In the new inlet, the wires are held in place with these screw clamps. The inlets are color coded. The first step is to loosen the screw clamps to make room for the wires. Next, I cut off the old wire end connectors to prepare for stripping the insulation. I then used a wire stripping tool to strip back the insulation to 5/8 of an inch exposed copper wire. You want to make sure that the newly exposed copper wire has a clean, bright copper color. With the backing gasket in place, the next step is to insert the stripped wire into the color-coded inlet and tighten the screw clamp. Lastly, install the inlet with the backing gasket in place, check for alignment, and then secure it with the mounting screws. After completing the shore power plug installation, I ran both air conditioners for 48 hours and came back to inspect the results. Using an infrared thermometer, I tested the temperature of the contact points inside the shore power inlet and was happy to see that it was only 10 degrees over the outside air temperature.